Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 18th, 2020. We're going to talk about Cardano for today's video. Give you all an update as to what the trap is trying to do for this cryptocurrency. Now, before we do, as always, if this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then also join us on our other social media platforms, specifically the Gram, Twitter, Facebook, also on our own website. And you know what? All those links are in the description of this video, so make sure you go there before you leave or after you watch this particular video about our price prediction forecast for Cardano. Because if you guys haven't realized it, the price chart, all you really need is price bars and volume to get an understanding as to where is the next move. Where's the next move going to be for the cryptocurrency space or whatever market you're looking at? It doesn't require all of those pointless indicators. All you really want to know is where's the market going to go? Where's the next likelihood of the next biggest price move? And for us, we've been doing that on this particular platform for a while. So hopefully you have been learning from our predictions that we've been displaying since 2017. Now, zooming in real quick, we're going to look at Cardano, and you guys can see last time we did our video was on the 14th, so it's been 4 days, and this is what the trap has done against our forecast that we did on the 14th. And you can see that for the most part, he just consolidated the market. We have already identified one price level that has to be broken in order for us to really grasp a change in the market, because currently the change is weakness. You know, the weakness started all the way back on the 9th of August for Cardano. So we're still in that trend that hasn't changed. Now, if the market in Cardano was to break above 10 cents, then yeah, we would have changed our tone and the market would have reverted back to higher prices. But since our video on the 4 days since then, it hasn't changed. So the broad view of the market in Cardano is still one of weakness. We have to see the trap break price above 10 cents. Right now, we had on our video on the 14th of September that our TP is going to be around 9 cents. It's only about 5.25% movement from when we initiated this forecast. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of that. That is old news. You're only as good as what you do in the future. And I wanted to swing on over to the monthly time frame first in Cardano, and you can get a better idea and sense that the trap is still feeling a little weak into the market in Cardano. But again, we got a very substantial support area into the market in Cardano around 8.5 to 8 cents. Okay, 8.5 to 8 cents is a pretty good area of support. I'm not seeing the market in Cardano trying to break that to the downside just yet. But looking here on the monthly time frame and seeing how we still have 12 days left. Now, if we had 1 day left in the market before this monthly price bar ended, then yeah, I would say it's increasingly likely that we're going to continue to go down to around 7.5 to 7 cents. But we still got 12 days left, so I'm not going to put that on the forecast just yet. Now, looking at Cardano on the weekly, what is going on into the market? Because right here on this weekly price bar, the 31st of August was an emphatic answer to the market being weak. And here we are 2 weeks in, and the market is not reacting to it. What does that mean? Well, it means that the market is still weak. We don't need to change what occurred dramatically in the background of the chart. Now, the volume from last week and even on this week can mean a lot to substantiate that, yeah, the trap is not feeling as weak as what really occurred on the week of August 31st. Remember that, okay? Because when you look at Cardano on this daily time frame, the market is still subsiding. We're not seeing an emphasis of weakness playing out in Cardano. So we're coming complacent in where the market is trading at in Cardano. And that range is 10 cents restriction and 8.5 cents for support. That is the complacent area to where everyone is comfortable with this trading at these prices. But don't forget, 10 cents is the ultimate area to see the change in tone occur into the market for Cardano. Now, hourly time frame. What's going on into the market? Nothing at all. The market is trading stagnated. So when you see this market like this trading stagnated, you got to pinpoint and see any price bars and volume that stands out to you. And as of right now, I don't see anything that stands out. Not on the 4-hour chart. Okay. Now the emphasis is still here that the market generally wants to go higher. It is there on the 4-hour chart. I'm seeing that a little bit more than weakness in Cardano. All right. And that 9 cent price level all the way back down to 8.5 cents is where the market is really playing itself out into moving higher in Cardano. But it is still important to keep our eyes open on these restriction levels. And I would say at 0.096 all the way up there to 10 cents, any one of those 3 price levels can hurt Cardano from going higher. All right. But the strength is trying to reveal itself. And that's how we're going to play this forecast in Cardano. So on this forecast package, we're going to go ahead and play some strength into the market. Okay. Now, I'm not bullish in Cardano. I'm just simply playing the move in Cardano and our expectation of where we're expecting the trap to take Cardano. Okay. Now, support around 9 cents, but I'm extending down to around 8.5 just to include some outlying event that could push the value of Cardano substantially lower than what we expect the trap to go. But 10 cents is still a hard area restriction. So we're going to continue to play that out into the market in Cardano. I will feel a lot better once this trap breaks price in Cardano about above 9.5 cents. I will feel a lot better on the market going higher. But for the time being, it is not there. But again, it's in the process. So we're going to go with a market forecast of Cardano going higher. This is our forecast. Again, we would like to know what your forecast is for this currency. Tell us, give us some dialogue. Tell us what you expect the market in Cardano to do. What you expect the trap to do over the next 3 or 4 days. Where do you see Cardano being traded at? Give us your opinions. Tell us your TP area. Where's your take profit area at for Cardano in the next 4 days? Where do you see this market being? Leave us a comment. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and I will see you all on our next video.